What is up everyone, this is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your webcam not working in your Windows 7, 8, or 10 device. So let's get right into this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click the start menu at the bottom left corner and click into the settings option. In here, we're going to click into privacy, and we're essentially going to hover over to camera. So we're going to go to the app permissions and click camera. So over here, this is where it kind of shows you for your camera, your webcam, will let out the good stuff, what you're doing, and you want to make sure on the section allow apps to access your camera, it's essentially on. And then you want to make sure these other items that, let's just say it was I'm trying to think, like Camtasia, for example, or Elgato, that you're trying to OBS, I should say, sorry, you're trying to stream a game or something, or whatever the Skype may be. You want to make sure that it is actually accessed and applicable over here, that it's working. And again, same thing, as you can see, like, oh, Elgato has it, my ability, OBS has it. Like, you want to make sure these apps are able to access your camera. So this is the first thing you want to obviously make sure and ensure that it's actually good to go and up to date. The next thing is you want to actually search over here something called Device Manager. And in here, there's going to be a section called Camera that you don't currently see from my side because my webcam is not connected, but you're going to basically see it here. And what you're supposed to do is open it up, and once you do, you're going to see like the camera option in there. You're going to technically, so let's find a one that actually I can do it to, something like this. You're going to essentially do uninstall the device, and once you do, on the action section, you're going to click that and then do scan for hardware changes, and then it'll kind of like reinstall and get that device back in there. So you want to kind of do that, and then once you do that, restart your computer, retry whatever device you were trying to try it on, and then you should be good to go. The problem will go away. Most of the time, it's the former, what I mentioned, that you just did not allow access to said app, and hence why the camera is just not working. But again, this one, if there's any defects in the software itself, it'll kind of just uninstall it and reinstall the software, and then you'll be kind of good to go. That's essentially all you'll got to do. Those two items should essentially fix your issue. Yeah, you should be good to go from there. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button, helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell, and that more tutorials out.